Okay, so let's go over our technology rules. Let me get this big. Okay, some simple rules to remember besides basic rules are that there should be no food or drinks at the computer station. You don't want any kind of crumbs, or if there's a drink that's spilled, then the technology is not ours and we have to find a way to fix it, and otherwise we can't use it. And so we don't want to have any accidents. The next one is be very careful, and that's not just with the computers, that's with iPads, that's with Chromebooks or laptops. These are not ours. We're using them from school, and um, if they break, then we don't really know if we're going to be able to get them back or how long it takes to get them back. Um, Help our friends. If we're sitting at a computer and our friend doesn't know how to use something or log in, or something isn't working, we need to help each other. Um, Sometimes somebody knows a little bit more than others, so let's use our resources and be kind and help our friends if we see that our friends are struggling. Each time you take a computer, the computer should be returned back to the cart and plugged in. And that means that you should match up your number on the computer to the number on the cart and make sure that they are being returned to the right place, because if we share these computers with another classroom, um, we need to make sure that the numbers are where they are in the cart and that we're being respectful to others. This little blank one is where I'm going to put the QR code, and we'll learn about the QR code, and what that does, but that's really fun. And lastly, another simple rule is that the technology is only used for schoolwork. I should not be seeing you go on there and play games, or anything that doesn't have to do with school unless I tell you to do so. Otherwise, you're going to have to get off. But those are just a few simple rules I want you guys to remember while you're using the technology in my classroom.